Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about getting you feeling your absolute best. We're diving deep into the world of natural remedies, exploring something truly ancient and powerful. Shilajit. Picture the Himalayas, those majestic mountains, pristine and pure. For centuries, a special substance has been forming within these mountains, known as Shilajit. Today, we're breaking down the science behind Shilajit and why it's been used for thousands of years to boost energy, sharpen the mind, and promote longevity. So, stick around because this is some seriously powerful stuff. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, feeling tired and drained just doesn't cut it. We're constantly on the go, juggling responsibilities and trying to keep up with the demands of life. But what if I told you there's a natural way to unlock sustained energy throughout your day? That's where Shilajit comes in. This incredible substance works on a cellular level, specifically targeting your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. Shilajit enhances mitochondrial function, helping your cells produce more energy efficiently. Imagine feeling that natural surge of energy, not the jittery kind from caffeine, but a smooth, sustained boost that lasts. Studies have shown that Shilajit can significantly improve exercise performance, increasing endurance, and reducing fatigue. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just trying to keep up with your kids, Shilajit can give you that extra edge. Shilajit also tackles mental fatigue, improving mental clarity and alertness. Unlike stimulants that give you a quick burst followed by a dip, Shilajit provides a steady stream of energy throughout the day. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, Shilajit might just be the answer you've been searching for. It's a natural, effective way to boost your energy levels and power through your day. In today's information-saturated world, our brains are constantly bombarded with stimuli. It's no wonder that so many people struggle with focus, memory, and cognitive function. But what if there was a way to give your brain a natural boost? Shilajit might just be the brain-boosting secret you've been waiting for. One of the key components of Shilajit is fulvic acid, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in brain health. Fulvic acid helps to protect brain cells from damage, improves communication between neurons, and enhances overall cognitive function. Studies have shown that Shilajit can significantly improve memory recall, both short-term and long-term. Imagine being able to remember names, dates, and important information with ease. Shilajit also enhances focus and concentration, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand. For those who struggle with brain fog or mental fatigue, Shilajit can be a game changer. It helps to clear away that mental clutter, leaving you feeling sharper and more alert. Some studies suggest that it may even have neuroprotective properties, helping to protect the brain from age-related decline. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your brain power, Shilajit is definitely worth exploring. Our immune systems are under constant attack from stress, lack of sleep, environmental toxins, and a less-than-ideal diet. When our immune system is compromised, we're more susceptible to getting sick and feeling run down. Alongside a healthy lifestyle, incorporating powerful natural remedies like Shilajit can make a world of difference. Shilajit is packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect our cells from damage. Free radicals are troublemakers that wreak havoc in your body, damaging cells and weakening your immune system. Antioxidants neutralize those troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy and your immune system strong. Shilajit also possesses potent detoxifying properties, helping to rid your body of harmful toxins and heavy metals. These toxins can put a strain on your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections. Shilajit acts like a natural chelator, binding to these toxins and carrying them out of your body. This detoxification process supports your immune system and promotes overall health and well-being. Shilajit addresses the root cause of many health issues by supporting your body's natural healing mechanisms. If you're looking for a natural way to strengthen your immune system and detoxify your body, Shilajit is worth considering. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a chronic condition for many, leading to hormonal imbalances. From fatigue and low mood to sleep disturbances and weight gain, hormonal imbalances can manifest in countless ways. But what if there was a natural way to bring our bodies back into balance? That's where Shilajit steps in. Shilajit has been traditionally used for centuries to promote balance within the body. One of the key ways Shilajit supports hormonal balance is by supporting the health of our adrenal glands. Our adrenal glands produce a variety of hormones, including cortisol, our primary stress hormone. When we're chronically stressed, our adrenal glands can become overworked, leading to an imbalance in cortisol levels. Shilajit acts as an adaptogen, helping our bodies adapt to stress more effectively. It supports adrenal function, helping to regulate cortisol levels and bring our bodies back into balance. By reducing the negative impacts of stress and promoting hormonal balance, Shilajit can help to improve sleep quality, boost energy levels, and enhance mood. It's a natural, holistic approach to health and well-being, addressing the root causes of imbalance. We all want to live long, healthy, vibrant lives. But as we age, our bodies naturally change, and the signs of aging start to creep in. What if there were natural ways to support our bodies and slow down the aging process? Shilajit might hold the key. Shilajit is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals contribute to aging, damaging our cells and leading to visible signs of getting older. Antioxidants neutralize those troublemakers, protecting our cells and keeping us looking and feeling younger. Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid, a powerful antioxidant with remarkable anti-aging properties. Fulvic acid helps to protect our cells from oxidative stress, one of the leading contributors to aging. It also supports collagen production, keeping our skin firm and elastic, and helps to protect our brains from age-related decline. Shilajit is packed with essential minerals and trace elements crucial for overall health and longevity. These minerals support everything from bone density and muscle function to energy production and cognitive health. Think of Shilajit as a nourishing tonic for your entire body, providing the building blocks it needs to thrive as you age. So there you have it, the incredible power of Shilajit. From boosting energy and enhancing brain function to supporting immunity and promoting longevity, this ancient remedy truly is a gift from nature. If you're looking for a natural way to feel stronger, more focused and youthful, Shilajit might just be the missing piece in your wellness journey. Have you tried Shilajit before? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep striving for your best self.